Insert two geometric means between -8 and -216. So when we have to find two geometric means between these two numbers, so the first number is -8. We have to find the second and the third number, and the last term is -216. Because we have to find two geometric means, it means that these four terms are terms of geometric progression. So we have given first term of geometric progression and the last term of geometric progression, and we have to find these two terms inside our geometric progression. We know that in geometric progression, let me write that first term we have -8. The second term we got, but by multiplying the first one by the constant number r. And when we have second term, we multiply the second number by the constant number r, and we have the third, and so on. So because we have here first term and the last term, in this example is the fourth term, 1, 2, 3, 4. A4 is given to -216. So when we have A4 and we have A1, we can calculate the R, because when we have R, we can find the second and the third term, because the second what will be A1 times R. The third will be A1, it means the second term, A1 times R, so the second term, A2 times R, we also have to multiply. So we need this R, because we have A1. How we find this constant number R, the Cannon ratio in other words? We will use the last term. We know that in geometric progression, the n term is A1 times R to power 1 less, so n minus 1. So because we have A4, so in our example n is equal 4, so we have A4 is equal A1 times R to power 4 minus 1, so this is A4 is equal A1 times R to power third. What is unknown in this equation? We have A4, we have A1, unknown is only R. So let me substitute A4 by -216. A1 is -8, R to third power we have. So now I will divide both sides by -8. -8 and -8 we can reduce. 216 divided by 8 is 27, and negative we reduce, so we have 27 is equal R to third power. So what next? We can rewrite that 27 is 3 to third power. Let me change the sides. We have R to third power is equal 3 to third power. 3 to third is 27. I didn't change anything. And now when we take cube root of both sides, what we will have is equal cube root of 3 to third power. We see that power we reduce with cube root, and we have that R is equal 3. We calculate the Cannon ratio R. So now it will be very easy to find these two geometric means. Like I said, we have A1, so A2, because this is geometric progression, is A1 times R. A1 is -8. R, we found that this is 3. So we have times 3. Negative times positive, so it will be negative. 8 times 3 is 24. Now the third term, what will be? A2 we calculate is negative 24 times r we found is 3. So this is equal negative 24 times positive, so will be negative 24 times 3, so this is 72. So we have our two geometric means is negative 72 and negative 24. This is my solution.